Welcome to this meditation with Quiet Rose. This morning meditation is designed to help you connect with your inner energy and set a clear, positive intention for the day ahead. Whether you're starting your day feeling excited or perhaps a bit overwhelmed by what lies ahead, this practice will help you ground yourself in clarity and purpose, allowing you to move forward with confidence and focus. Find a comfortable seated position where you can feel both relaxed and alert. This might be on the edge of your bed, in a favorite chair, or sitting cross-legged on a cushion. Allow your spine to be naturally straight while letting your shoulders soften and settle. Rest your hands comfortably on your thighs or in your lap. Close your eyes gently and take a moment to notice how you're feeling right now. Perhaps you're still waking up, or maybe your mind is already racing with thoughts about your day. Whatever you notice is perfectly fine. This is your starting point, and there's no need to change anything yet. Begin by taking 3 energizing breaths that will help awaken your body and mind. Breathe in deeply through your nose, imagining you're drawing in fresh energy and vitality. Feel your chest and belly expanding fully. Now exhale completely through your mouth, releasing any sleepiness or mental fog. Take another deep breath in, filling yourself with alertness and presence. And breathe out, letting go of any anxiety or pressure you might feel about the day ahead. One more revitalizing breath in, breathing in clarity and strength. And as you exhale, feel yourself becoming more centered and grounded in this moment. Allow your breathing to find its natural rhythm. Now bring your attention to the energy within your body. Start by noticing the gentle pulse of your heartbeat. This steady rhythm has been with you since before you were born, faithfully supporting you through every moment of your life. Feel grateful for this reliable source of life force within you. Expand your awareness to notice the subtle energy flowing through your entire body. You might sense it as warmth, tingling, or simply a feeling of aliveness. This energy is always available to you, ready to support you in whatever you choose to create today. Take a moment to appreciate this vitality that flows naturally within you. Now it's time to set your intention for the day. Ask yourself gently, what do you want to bring into this day? This isn't about your to-do list or external goals. Instead, consider what quality of presence or state of being you want to embody. Perhaps you want to bring patience, kindness, creativity, or courage to your day. Allow an intention to arise naturally from your heart. It might be something like, I intend to stay calm and centered today, or I intend to approach challenges with curiosity and openness, or I intend to be present and appreciative in my interactions with others. Trust whatever feels most authentic and supportive for you right now. Once you've identified your intention, repeat it silently to yourself a few times. Feel these words settling into your heart and body. Imagine this intention as a gentle light glowing within your chest, ready to guide your choices and responses throughout the day. Take a moment to visualize yourself moving through your day with this intention as your companion. See yourself embodying this quality in your morning routine, in your interactions with family or colleagues, in how you handle unexpected situations. Notice how carrying this clear intention makes you feel more grounded and purposeful. Place one hand on your heart and feel the steady beat beneath your palm. Make a gentle promise to yourself to remember this intention when you need it most. Know that you can return to this feeling of clarity and purpose anytime during the day by simply taking a conscious breath and reconnecting with what you've chosen to cultivate. Feel the energy and life force flowing through your body, ready to support you in living your intention today. You have everything you need within you to meet this day with presence, wisdom, and grace. Trust in your ability to navigate whatever comes with the quality of being you've chosen to embody. Begin to prepare for your transition back into your day. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Take a deeper breath and feel your body fully present in this space. You're ready to carry this intention and energy into whatever activities await you. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to look around with fresh awareness. You've just connected with your inner wisdom and set a beautiful foundation for your day. Remember that your intention is always available to guide you, and your natural energy is always there to support you. Thank you for beginning your day with this mindful practice. May your intention bless every moment that follows.